Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update NextAuth UI flows for login and onboarding. Begin by reviewing your existing authentication flows in your Next.js application. Identify the areas that need improvement in the user experience for login and onboarding. Ensure you have the latest version of NextAuth.js installed. Open your NextAuth configuration file. Examine and customize the sign-in options to align with your branding. Consider enabling social login providers for a streamlined onboarding experience. Update the UI components that handle user input for a more modern look. Incorporate clear instructions or tooltips to guide users through the login process. Test different form layouts to enhance usability. Utilize CSS or styled components for a polished appearance that reflects your brand's identity. Implement client-side validation to provide immediate feedback on user input. Add accessibility features to ensure your authentication flows are usable for everyone. Create a custom sign-in page if you want more control over the layout and user experience. Include a progress indicator during the onboarding flow to keep users informed. Integrate welcome modules or tooltips for new users to explain app features. Make sure to handle authentication errors gracefully with informative messages. Set up a redirect mechanism to guide users after successful login or onboarding. Review your changes to ensure they work seamlessly across various devices and browsers. Conduct user testing to gather feedback on the new flows. Analyze the feedback and make necessary adjustments to improve usability. Document the changes and their impact on the overall UX. Finally, deploy your updates to the production environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.